Hey everyone, today I wanted to go over some of the available financing options as either an owner-occupant or as an investor for those looking to buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex in Broward, Miami-Dade, or Palm Beach County. For those buying property as an investor, I have a really good program at the end that I go over, so you want to stay tuned for that. As for right now, let's jump right into the details. The first way is through conventional financing, where the borrower provides 2 years of all 1040 tax returns and W-2 pay stubs, bank statements, and employment verification. If you're self-employed, we'll need a copy of your business license and or a CPA letter. Here's an example of a deal in Fort Lauderdale for a conforming loan. The highest loan amount is $543,000 with a minimum 15% down payment as an owner-occupant. This means the maximum purchase price is $638,823, and your down payment will need to be around $95,000. The maximum conventional loan amount for a 3 to 4 unit is $656,350 and $815,650 respectively. But a Fannie Mae loan requires a 25% down payment, while a Freddie Mac loan just 20% down. So that's at least $164,000 if you're buying a 3 or 4 unit property in South Florida. If the purchase price is above that on a triplex, then you'll need to put more down payment down. So a second way may be to use a non-conforming loan where you only need a 15% down payment as an owner-occupant on 3 to 4 units. By doing so, you'd put $40,000 less. If these down payments are still higher than what you prefer, then you may qualify for the third option, which could be a big help, using an FHA loan. You can purchase a duplex, triplex, or fourplex with just 3.5% down. But the big condition is you must live in one of the units for at least 6 months. This may be a far better option than conventional financing in terms of down payment. However, the maximum loan amounts are a lot lower than conventional. With FHA financing, you can buy a $457,000 duplex in Broward County and put around $16,000 down, a triplex for $553,000, and you only need approximately $19,000 for a down payment, a fourplex for $687,000 with approximately a $24,000 down payment. However, something really important about financing a 3 to 4 unit using an FHA loan is it must pass a self-sufficiency test, or the loan amount has to be lowered until it does. Option number 4 is available only to active duty military personnel or eligible veterans using the VA loan. Eligible borrowers can buy a 2 to 4 unit with a 0 down payment using the same loan amounts we mentioned above in South Florida. Keep in mind it has to still be your primary residence for at least 6 to 12 months. Option number 5, if you don't qualify using tax returns and you're self-employed, then a low documentation method is available which requires 12 to 24 months of bank statements, but no tax returns. With this method, you'll need a minimum 20% down payment up to $1 million as an owner-occupant. As an investment property, you can expect to put down 25 to 30%. Now, option number 6, this is the one I was talking about for investors. If you don't qualify with your tax returns or your bank statements, but you are purchasing it as an investment property, there's still a program available. The condition is, this big condition, is the current rents need to cover the proposed mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance. Your job and monthly personal income are not needed or disclosed on the application. If any one of these programs interests you, or if you have further questions, contact a mortgage specialist by visiting loanshoppers.net.